Sky out here at beautiful Rio del Oro Sports Club. Just finished an installation of an awning over the entrance. I'm here with the general manager, Joe. Joe, how is this going to change things?
It really makes a welcoming appearance to our entrance.
Excellent. How many people come through here on a typical day?
Oh, anywhere from 300 to 600.
Wow. Sky here with Goodwin-Cole. Another day, another beautiful installation. This time at the lovely Rio del Oro Club off of Fair Oaks Boulevard in Sacramento. So the framing went in on Friday. The fabric was just completed today on a beautiful install. Come around here, you can see it's going to be total protection from the sun in the summertime, total protection from the weather elements in the wintertime. Beautiful color pattern. Color patterns are fully customizable, as is every product to the inch. If you're looking for something like this, give us a call at 916-381-8888 or visit us at Goodwin-Cole.com.